In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to ClickUp Workspace. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you land on your main dashboard. Starting from the home page makes this quick and ensures you're working with the most up-to-date view of your workspace. Next, look to the top left of the screen and click on your workspace name. This opens the workspace menu so you can access administrative options. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check that you've selected the one where you want to add the person. Invites are specific to the current workspace, so being in the right place here saves you from confusion later. From that menu, click on People. The People area is where you manage everyone who has access to the workspace, including members and guests. It's also the best spot to quickly see who's active, who's pending, and what access they currently have. Once you're in the People section, click on Invite People. This opens the invite panel. You'll notice this is designed to be simple and fast, so you can bring teammates, clients, or collaborators into your workspace without leaving the flow of your work. Now, enter their email. Type the email address of the person you want to add. You can paste multiple addresses if you're inviting several people at once. Just separate them with commas or spaces. Take a moment to verify the spelling. A quick double check prevents bounced invitations. If your organization uses a specific domain, make sure the address matches that domain if required by your admin settings. Some accounts also let you include a short message, which can help set expectations about what they'll find when they join. When you're ready, click Send Invites. ClickUp will email each person a secure link so they can join your workspace. They'll appear as pending in the People area until they accept. If they don't see the invite within a few minutes, ask them to check their spam or junk folder, or have their IT team allow ClickUp emails. Once they accept, they'll have access based on your workspace's default settings, and you can organize them into the right teams and share the relevant spaces and folders with them as needed. That's all there is to it. You went to ClickUp, opened your workspace menu, navigated to People, selected Invite People, entered the email addresses, and sent the invites. Keep this flow in mind whenever your team grows, and you'll be adding collaborators to your ClickUp workspace in seconds.